If your outlet faceplate is missing screws, fixing it fast is super important to keep everything safe and looking neat. So, first off, you want to make sure you grab the right screws for your outlet faceplate. Most faceplates use standard size screws, but it's smart to check the size by measuring the hole or taking the faceplate to a hardware store. When you install the screws, don't crank them down too hard because you can crack the plastic or strip the holes, just snug enough to hold it tight. If you lose screws often, keep extras in a small container or Ziploc bag near your toolbox for quick access. Another tip is to clean the area around the outlet before screwing the faceplate back on. Dust or grime can mess with how securely it fits. If your wall or outlet box is damaged and the screws won't hold, try using wall anchors or slightly larger screws to get a strong grip. For metal faceplates, make sure you use screws that won't rust or corrode over time to avoid staining your walls. Lastly, when you're done, give the plate a little wiggle to make sure it's firmly attached and not gonna fall off. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlet faceplates is using the wrong screw size. This can strip the holes or leave the plate loose, so always double-check screw measurements before buying new ones. Another common issue is over-tightening the screws, which can crack fragile plastic plates. Just tighten gently until it feels secure. A third problem is ignoring damaged outlet boxes or wall areas, leading to screws that don't hold. Fixing this means replacing or reinforcing the box or using wall anchors to keep everything solid. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the headache. Contractors also get a steady flow of work there, making it easier for them to connect with people who need their skills.